Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to pay with Uber Cash on Uber Eats in 2025. If you're tired of fumbling with credit cards or cash, Uber Cash is a game changer. It's the digital balance in your Uber account that you can earn from rides, promotions, or add manually. By the end of this video, you'll be ordering your favorite meals like a pro. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest Uber app installed on your phone. It's always good to update for the newest features, like the enhanced 2025 interface that makes everything smoother. Open the app and tap on the Eats tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you straight to Uber Eats mode, where you can explore restaurants and menus. Next, search for your go-to spot or try something new, maybe that trendy cafe or your favorite pizza joint. Once you find what you want, browse the menu, select your items, and add them to your cart. Keep an eye out for any deals. In 2025, Uber often has promotions that boost your Uber Cash balance automatically. Now, head to your cart by tapping the icon, usually in the top right corner. Review your order to make sure everything looks good, then proceed to checkout. On the payment page, you'll see a list of options. Scroll or tap to select Uber Cash as your payment method. If you have sufficient funds, it should highlight easily, thanks to Uber's updated UI for quicker selections. In 2025, if your Uber Cash is low, you can add funds right from this screen with just a few taps, using your linked bank or card. Once selected, double-check your total, add a tip if you like, and hit Place Order. Your food will be on its way, and you'll see a confirmation that Uber Cash was used. A quick tip: always check your Uber Cash balance in the app's wallet section before ordering to avoid surprises. It's a simple way to save money and earn rewards. There you have it. Paying with Uber Cash on Uber Eats is straightforward and efficient. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.